What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review XRP. Okay, so XRP is one of the top 6 coins on Coin Gecko right now. So coin market cap is 34 million. 34 million? Yeah, 34 million or 34 billion. 34 billion. This is 34 billion. So coin market cap is $34 billion. Trading volume is $2.7 billion right now. And surprisingly, we know that Bitcoin pumped a lot. So if you click on Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin from the past 30 days pumped 44%, whereas XRP, so the last year, pumped 166%. If we go back to XRP, we can see that XRP hasn't pumped much, okay? XRP hasn't pumped much, only 68% in the past year, and only 25% for the past 30 days, okay? I really don't know what's wrong with XRP. So if you know what's wrong with XRP, why XRP hasn't pumped yet, let me know in the comment box below. Even though in the past 24 hours, XRP pumped 6.2%. Is it still a good time to buy XRP? In my opinion, yes, it is. So if you look at the price chart right here, we can see that XRP hit the bottom at June 22. Okay, so 2 years ago, it was trading around 28, 29, 30 cents. Okay, currently trading at 63 cents. And we can see the XRP, since it hit the bottom, start to do this ascending triangle or wedge, okay, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, it is definitely, the price is definitely climbing, but it's taking long and definitely not keeping up with the, overall bull run, because we are already in a bull run, right? So for some reason, XRP, even though he's trading a lot, is not pumping as much. Okay, so a guy on Twitter, so Dark Defender, saying that XRP potentially will hit $2. Okay, so he says over here, we target 0.64 cents today and hit 0.62, but this is insufficient. Market is bullish to continue towards Ishimoku clouds, targeting $1 first and then 1.88. So he's talking about Bitcoin, not Bitcoin. What do you call it? What's this? XRP coming over here to a dollar mark, which would be around here. Okay, and then going to 188, which will be around here somewhere. Okay, so let's take that. If XRP where it is right now comes to $1, okay, where is it? Price range. If XRP right here comes to $1, you will have to pump 60%. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, and keep in mind for the last year, XRP only pumped 65%. So that's a lot to ask, but anything is possible, right? Because we had this huge pump back in July. Okay, that was awesome. And yeah, XRP will have to pump 60%. And if XRP has to come or will potentially will come to these 188, like the guy is claiming, he has to pump 200%. That's whoa, that's something. So probably will not be this year if XRP is due to reach 198 or even $2. Okay, probably not this year because he has to pump 200%. But it's possible to come over here to this one. But it will need bullish news. Okay, in my opinion, I might be wrong. This guy might be right, and vice versa. But he's probably saying something that I am not. Okay, XRP all-time high is 340. Okay, that was in January 2018, 6 years ago. And then from all-time high to the current price is down 81%. So yes, it is definitely a good idea, a good time to buy XRP. Even if XRP comes to $1, it is very possible. Okay, XRP is a very bullish coin, hence XRP being the top 10 coins. Okay, So it is possible, even if it comes to a dollar, if you invest, let's say, 1,000 bucks with this thing, you will make 60% profit. Okay, so you will come out with $1,600. Okay, because you're gonna gain 60% of your investment. If it comes to $2, okay, it's gonna be 2x your investment. So your $1,000 will be $3,000. Okay, and yeah, it's claiming that XRP eventually will hit $2. Okay, and he's also claiming that XRP is claiming or is set for 237% surge to reclaim $2 high gateway Velaja. Okay, but I don't know why XRP is not pumping, but it will pump eventually. It has to pump, right? Because everything else is pumping, but XRP is staying behind. If you go back, let's compare the top 10. So we can see Bitcoin pumped 20% last 7 days. Ethereum 14%. Okay, BNB pumped a lot. Okay, $409. I regret not buying BNB at $200. It sucks, but it is what it is. It pumped 6.9%. Solana 24%. XRP 15%, and so on. Okay, even though XRP is in the top 10 coins, he hasn't pumped as much as all the other coins. Okay, but XRP is still a good time to buy because it will pump. Okay, at least it will reach $1. Okay, that being said, guys, let me know what y'all think about XRP. Is XRP actually going to be able to reach $1 and go beyond, or it's just going to be like this, 60, 70, or even 80? Let me know in the comment box below. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.